this is Tiffany for LTECH. We are a 20-year brand manufacturer producing LED controller, intelligent LED drivers, smart automation based on Bluetooth 5.0 stick mesh, as well on-off power supply and microwave motion sensor. Today I will have a brief introduction about our dimmable drivers. We have multiple control protocol covering 0 to 10 volts, Tri-X, DALI, DMX, and drivers specified for US markets with UL certifications. Also, we have on-off power supply with advanced features like soft start function and NFC function to set more customized parameters. All of them are with global certification to meet different market demands. C for China domestic markets, ERP for power consumption, KC for Korea, EAC for Russia, TUV, UL for US, EL, SRRC, RED, DALI 2, UKCA for UK, FCC, CB, CE, ENEC, BIS, UL, ROSE, TUV, RCM for Australia, PSE for Japan markets. We provide more stable, more safe, and more reliable products. By the way, in 2024, LTECH was selected as the Guangdong Provincial Single Champion Enterprise, according to our dimmable drivers. So, if you have any inquiry for drivers, contact us. We help you to win more projects.